Understanding the phrase, taking a catnap. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the interesting phrase, taking a catnap. This phrase is commonly used in English, and understanding it can add a fun element to your conversational skills. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how you can use it in everyday conversations. The phrase, taking a catnap, refers to taking a short, light sleep or nap, much like how cats do. Cats are known for their brief but refreshing naps, which is why this term is used to describe similar short rests in humans. It's a casual and informal phrase, often used in relaxed contexts. Understanding the origins of phrases can make them easier to remember. The term, catnap, originated due to the observation of cats' sleeping habits. Cats often sleep in short, light periods, which are not deep sleeps but rather quick rests. This term has been adopted in English to describe a short, quick rest that refreshes a person. Let's look at some examples of how you can use this phrase in everyday conversation. 1. I'm going to take a catnap before the meeting this afternoon. 2. She took a quick catnap during her lunch break. 3. Whenever I feel a bit tired at work, I try to sneak in a catnap. Notice how the phrase is used to describe a brief rest, usually to recharge or refresh oneself. In English, there are often variations of phrases that convey the same meaning. For taking a catnap, similar phrases include taking a power nap, catching 40 winks, grabbing a quick snooze. Each of these phrases also refers to taking a short rest. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, taking a catnap, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Remember, learning a language is all about understanding the little phrases that make it unique and fun. Until our next lesson, happy learning and don't forget to take your catnaps.